Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to fill up USCIS form N-400 step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this USCIS account. Here, if you don't know how to uh, log in here, like you first need to create an account with USCIS, US Citizenship and Immigration Services. If you don't know how to create the account, I'm going to include the link in the description that you can watch. So on your home page, you have this link, file a form only. So here we are going to search for the form. Okay. So for in this video, we are going to do this N-400. So I'm going to search application for naturalization. Tap on continue. So two options you have. You can fill out the form fields online, okay? And the second is you can fill a PDF and upload it, okay? Now this method does not qualify for fee waiver, but here you do have an option. So you can select which one you like, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go for this one. So the very first thing is to determine your eligibility, or let's see if you can go there directly. Okay, fine. So we can go there directly also, but let's why not check the eligibility. Were one or both of your parents US citizen when you were born? So I select yes. Just sample guys. You may already be in. Okay. So I select no. How old are you? Are you a member of US Armed Forces? I'm just showing you the questions again. Like this depends like your individual circumstances. Did you obtain LPR straight into the violence Omega as a spouse child who to better esteem quality? When did you become? I select on or before. Have you left in the past 5 years? I select no. Have you moved in past 3 months? I select no. You may be eligible. Okay, so I mean, with this you can. It's always good to check your eligibility. Okay, and questionnaires like you need to fill as per a fee. There are some waivers, fee reduction too. Okay, this is like form for paper form also. We'll go in some other video. Fee waiver. Okay. What documents you need? You will automatically determine documents. Okay. Biometric. You may be asked to go for biometrics. After you submit, you can track your status, and if they ask for any question, you have to respond. If they ask for your biometric, you have to schedule. Similar thing for interview. And when everything gets through, you can take the oath. Okay. That is like a dream for many. Next. What is the basis of eligibility? General provision, spouse, military. So I select general. Next. Is someone assisting with you? I select no. You need to provide use your details. Okay. I don't have to fill everything, but I'll walk you through what are the questions there. They ask, what's your legal name? First name, middle name, last name. With this sign, it's mandatory. Have you used any other name since birth? If you select yes, they're gonna ask. If you select no, they will not ask. Would you like to legally change your name? I select no. How to contact you? Your daytime phone number, mobile number, then here physical address. List every location you lived during past 5 years. Okay. Do you have physical or development disability or mental impairment? I select no, but if you have anything, you need to provide. Now, when and where you were born, your date of birth, your information about your parents, was your mother or father US citizen? Okay. What's your country of birth? You need to provide that. Your immigration information, what is your country of citizenship or nationality? So do it as per your own case. Don't go by what I am doing. If you're a lawful permanent resident, when did you become a permanent resident? So then provide the date when you got what is your A number, green card number, provide that. Did you have SSA, Social Security Administration issued to Social Security card? Provide that information, including Social Security number, your gender, your ethnicity, race, whatever it is, height, weight, eye color, hair color. Wow. Have you worked or attended school full-time or part-time during past 5 years? Provide that information for every line. You can click add entry and do. Next. Have you taken a trip outside USA in past 5 years? I select no, but if you have taken, put yes and provide the information. Your current marital status. How many children do you have? Provide that. Children information. If you have, click on add a child. Have you ever claimed to be US citizen? I select no. Have you registered to vote or voted any federal election? Do you have or did you ever have a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country? You're going to owe or OD federal, state, or local taxes. That's why tax paying is very important. Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-US resident on federal, state, local tax form decided not to your file? Yeah, that's why filing taxes, you see how important it is. Have you ever been member of involved in any way of any communist or totalitarian party? Opposition organized world communism? Have you ever been member involved any association? Have you ever provided money? So weapons, oh my God, kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, weapon, kidnapping, my God. But yes, be honest because they anyway are gonna find out. Have you ever ordered, incited, called for committed torture? My God. Read all these, okay? Don't just go no. Read all these and answer as per your case. Don't do what I'm doing. Have you ever served in an assisted military police unit? Yeah. Weapon use training. Wow. So many things. Have you recruited and enlisted signed up person under? My God. You will commit, agree to commit, ask someone to commit, help commit. You're not arrested. My God. Crime and offense history. Now related to prostitution. Wow. So read every question very carefully and answer honestly and truthfully because anyway they're going to find out and if you do misrepresentation, there could be worse consequences. So, are you a male who lived in the United States at time between 18th and 26th birthday? Attempt to avoid being drafted armed forces. Wow. Served in US Armed Forces. Wow. You support constitutional form of the United States. Understand the full oath of allegiance to United States. Are you unable to take oath of allegiance because physically I select no. Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance? Yes. If the law requires, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of United States? If the law requires, are you willing to perform non-combat services? Are you willing to perform work of national importance? Wow. Additional evidence. You can provide additional support your application, explain to the application if you want to provide, okay. So everything that you have done, provide evidence of it, okay. Upload documents and anything that you want to provide information, then you can do this. Here at the end, you're going to review your application and submit. Of course, I'm not going to do that. So, but yes, you need to, if you want, you can, okay. So that's how you need to do it. A lot of you will have questions about it. So file requirements they have given, upload no more than 5 documents at a time. Okay, so like your green card and any other evidence that is required in the application, you can go through the checklist on the site that you can provide. So in this video, guys, let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.